Hello, showing you today how to change fog lights on a BMW 1 Series 2013, the F20. So let's get started. I'm swapping it with an LED bulbs. I'll show you in a second. This is halogen, which is not my favorite. So let's get going. So to start, there are two bolts here. Need 8mm socket, two iron screw, so you can get access to the back of the fog light behind the wheel arch. I'll get these done and get back to you. There's a third bolt here as well, a little bit up, so you need a longer ratchet to reach to. Go easily behind this, and here it is. So what we're gonna do is unplug this socket. Okay, so I got the cable disconnected by pushing those two side clips and pull it. Now to take out the bulb, you twist it anti-clockwise and pull it like this. Okay, here it is. For this upgrade, I'm going with this is H8 H11, has different name, H8, H11, H9, based on the car. I believe this one here, the original is H8, so this should work perfectly. This brand is no sight. I only went with this brand because I had experience with it before in my previous car, had no problems with it. Doesn't give me any errors on the dashboard, so I decided to go with it once again. So to install the bulb, we'll go carefully into the hole here. Okay, snug it, and then rotate clockwise until it's straight. Let's have a look from the front. So, and let me clear the fog. The weather is so bad here, so the car is not in its best shape. So now I'll plug it in. So the plug goes in only one direction, so it's hard to get the job done with one hand, but here we go. Push. Supposed to click. I'll get done off the camera and get back to you. All right, look at the difference. It's day and night. Not bad. Bad at all. The car just needs a good wash. and will be perfect. I'll do the other side and show you the end result. And here is the last result. Huge difference. Looks very modern. The light is bright and not distracting the onboarding traffic. Standing and looking into the car, it doesn't blind my eyes, so it should be fine with incoming traffic. Matches the color of the xenon lights, which is whitest. The xenon, I'd say, is slightly warmer than this one. This more cool white, but it's way better than the halogen. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.